pair of Japanese-style vases made by the Baccarat Crystal Works, around 1900. The Crystal Works created these baluster-shaped vases in opaline glass resting on a patinated bronze setting. This precious glass is adorned with a natural, highly poetic decoration. Founded under Louis XV, the French crystal manufacturer Baccarat demonstrated its excellence at the universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. The decoration is in keeping with the fashion for Japanese art at the end of the 19th century. Against a cloudy grey background spangled with gold, branches of cherry blossom stand out against two birds, probably blue nuthatches and red shrikes, two Asian species. In the background, the full moon is flanked by a circular cartouche painted in imitation of Japanese prints. The bronze frame is also orientalist in style, it echoes the style of the belly of the vase. Baccarat created other vases with similar decoration, which are now in the Corning Museum of Glass.